Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Thinking about retirement? A Roth IRA could be your secret weapon. It allows your investments to grow completely tax-free, meaning no taxes when you withdraw in retirement. This can be incredibly powerful over the long haul. Let's explore how you can easily set one up and start building that tax-free nest egg. First things first, let's confirm you're eligible. There are income limits for direct contributions, so just check the current year's IRS guidelines. You'll also need to have earned income from a job, for example. The good news is there's no age limit to start. As long as you're earning, you can contribute and begin saving. Now it's time to pick where you'll open your account. You'll want to choose an investment brokerage, sometimes called a custodian. Popular choices include Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. When you're deciding, look for low fees, a broad range of investment options, and a platform that's easy to navigate. Think about what works best for your financial goals. Once your account is open, it's time to fund it. You can contribute up to the annual maximum, which the IRS updates each year. Simply link your bank account and transfer money directly into your Roth IRA. Many people find it helpful to set up automatic, regular contributions, perhaps weekly or monthly. This helps you consistently build your savings over time. With funds in your Roth IRA, the final step is to invest them. Your money is just sitting there as cash until you select actual investments. Many people opt for diversified, low-cost index funds or ETFs. These are a great way to get broad market exposure with minimal effort. Or you can choose individual stocks, bonds, or other mutual funds, aligning your choices with your personal comfort level for risk.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.